When it comes to choosing the best dropshipping platform, the question on everyone's mind is, which one is easier to use, Dropified or BigCommerce? Both have their pros and cons, but if you stick with me until the end, you'll discover which one truly stands out for simplicity and efficiency, and I've got a better recommendation coming up that you won't want to miss. Let's start with Dropified. This platform is often praised for its easy-to-use interface, designed specifically for dropshippers. The integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce is seamless, and getting your store up and running doesn't take a lot of time. But the learning curve still exists, especially if you're new to the world of dropshipping. While the platform simplifies a lot of the back-end processes, there's a lot of room for improvement, particularly when it comes to product importing and order automation, which could use a bit more polish. Now, let's move on to BigCommerce. This is a more well-established player in the e-commerce space, but is it easier to use for dropshipping? BigCommerce offers a powerful, all-in-one platform, and it's known for its comprehensive features. Setting up your store on BigCommerce is also fairly straightforward, but the user interface can feel a bit overwhelming for newcomers. You get plenty of customization options, but all that power comes with a complexity that can slow you down. If you're looking for something simple and quick to launch, BigCommerce may feel like more work than it's worth. Next, let's talk about product sourcing. With Dropified, you have access to a wide variety of suppliers, but sometimes the options can feel limited, especially when compared to other platforms. It's not that Dropified doesn't have the potential, it's just not as extensive as BigCommerce when it comes to supplier variety. BigCommerce, on the other hand, has a robust built-in catalog and direct integrations with top suppliers, making it a solid choice for those looking to expand their product range. However, the complexity of these integrations may require a bit more technical know-how to fully utilize. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Dropified's pricing starts with a monthly subscription, but as you scale, the costs can quickly climb. It's a solid platform for beginners, but if you're trying to expand your dropshipping business, it can become a bit pricey. BigCommerce follows a similar model, offering tiered pricing based on your sales volume. While the pricing can be reasonable at first, for those with growing businesses, the higher tier plans can feel restrictive, especially if you don't need all the additional enterprise-level features they offer. Lastly, let's discuss customer support. Dropified offers decent support, but it's not always as responsive as you might like. The knowledge base is helpful, but when you need to speak with someone, it's not always immediate. BigCommerce, however, excels in this area. With 24/7 support, live chat, and an extensive help center, you're likely to get answers faster, which can be a game changer when you're dealing with time-sensitive dropshipping issues. Both platforms have their merits, but as you can tell, they each come with their own set of challenges. So, what's the better alternative for dropshipping that's easier to use than both Dropified and BigCommerce? After testing them all myself, I can say that the best option for getting started with dropshipping is in the link below. If you want a more intuitive experience, smoother integrations, and fewer headaches along the way, check out the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial with benefits only available to our viewers, and trust me, this alternative makes dropshipping easier and more efficient for both beginners and experienced store owners alike.